Here is the Goodman heat pump, really iced over. You might think that this has a bad defrost board, but this unit will not defrost unless it is below 45 degrees. I mean, it's about 48 right now with wind and rain, but when this thing goes in the defrost, or when the temperatures drop tonight, and this thing goes in the defrost, it is going to produce one heck of a steam show. And I actually thought it had a bad defrost board in October, and it was like 48 degrees. It was about this frozen, and it would not defrost because it never got below 45. But it has been running all day. And look at how frozen that is. But the other Goodman heat pump, on the other hand, will defrost, I don't know, probably about 50 degrees or colder. It's not running right now, but it's right behind those bushes. And this one doesn't run as often since it heats and cools the guest room, which is not underground. Unlike the space the other one takes care of. Yeah, that's the one right there. Haven't got a steam shot. I mean, I've gotten defrost cycles out of that one, but they were all dry defrosts. But it's gonna get down to like 22 degrees on Monday morning, and oh, it just shut off. I hear that refrigerant flowing in there. I hear it hissing around. Unless it's been off for a while and it's still flowing. If this thing kicks on, it's gonna scare the spirits out of me. But and again, this is the one that is gonna be gone within a few months. Okay, let's go take a look at the other one. Again. Okay, here it is once again. Like I said, I have no expectations of this thing to go in the defrost quite yet, or for this thing to produce a steam show, but when it does go in the like I said, when it does go in the defrost later tonight, this thing is gonna produce an epic steam show, and I'll definitely try to get it on video if it's not too dark. But yeah, this is a 13 seer. Just for the heck of it, I'll just take a look at the trains again. The 2004 Train XB10s. I already have videos of these running, but these got nice compressor sounds when they're on. And in my opinion, a lot of the XB13s sound alike. Like they all have the same compressor sounds, and they sound really nice, like I said. Not quiet, but not very loud. I mean, they're quite moderate. There's the gas meter. Data sheet. Okay. Straight cool units. And there's the kilowatt meter. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.